Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. And we're gonna go panel by panel. Got the beautiful pearl white paint. That looks amazing. That's nice and clean. Tread looks good here on that wheel. It's in great condition. Got the mud flaps. Now you can see some bugs have kind of etched into the clear. So you're going to see those little spots. Basically it kind of etches into that paint and leaves that permanently there. It's very subtle, but it is there. A-pillar looks good. Looking at that door, even on that lower side, that's incredibly clean. I'm not seeing any rock chips or anything. Looks nice. Got the really dark window tint. Looks super good. I do see a dent right here on that power running board. Looks good. That section looks nice. Now you do have some scratches and gashes here. If you look close, you're going to see these little swirls. Some of that might come out with some paint correction. Now we do offer that in-house, but I do feel some grooves, so you're going to still have some lines. But some of the visuals, like that little discoloration, I think could come out. But like I said, you're going to still have those little grooves in it. You do have a gash right there. Looks like something kind of clipped it just a little bit down the side here, and then made its way there. I don't know if something just barely grazed that. That's super subtle. Like I said, I can barely feel it on my finger there. And a lot of that could come out visually, you know, that discoloration. I don't know what would have got that, but it is there. PPF right here protecting that. It looks like it grazed it a little bit as well. Got the mud flaps. That graphic looks good. Taillight nice and clean. Overall, that looks nice. Here on the plastics, you do have a couple little gashes. Got the bed liner. Looks good. Here on the back bumper, got the parking sensors. That taillight's nice and clean. We do have a deep gash here that will not come out. Goes all the way across the edge, and you're going to feel that with your nail. Looking at that wheel, nice and clean. And the tread looks good. You're going to see some little scuffs on that plastic. There's some foam here on that top. Not quite sure what that was there for. A couple little rock chips. Upper section looks good, nice and clean. Door edge feels good. Gloss block trim looks nice. Now, of course, you get down low, looking for any rock chips. There might be a couple, but honestly, nothing's really standing out. Looks really good. Got the forward flaps. The fender looks good. Wheels clean. Got one rock chip there. One right there. One here. Besides that, that looks good. Really clean front end. Plastics look nice. Looks very good. This in the bay now, so we got the big spotlight on it, just so you can kind of see this a little bit better. It looks like it starts from right here. Something just kind of grazed it. Took a little gash right there out of the paint, just kind of marked it up. So it's not horrible. It is there. It's kind of subtle at the same time. Like I said, if you did some paint correction, I think you can get some of that out. It just wouldn't be as noticeable, but it will never be perfect just because the paint right here is missing. It did take a little piece out there. It did scuff it up a little bit. Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 27,175 miles on the odometer. Now, if you see any flickering here on the screens and the gauges, that is in camera, that is not in person, so it's not going all berserk like this. You have really dark window tint here on the sides. I bet that's a 5%, and then a 5% eyebrow. So very nice when it's really hot outside. Keeps the cabin a little bit cooler. That 10 speed is insane. Just how quick it shifts and how smooth. Alignment's perfect, hands off the wheel, driving nice and straight. 27,000 miles on this truck. I don't see any problems while we're driving it. No complaints with drivability whatsoever. I know that's a quick test drive, but really there's nothing to address. It drives like a brand new truck. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker, and check out this color combo. It looks really good. Got the two-tone, dark black with the brown. Very, very nice. Love this interior. Looking at that upper section, looks good. Got the dark wood grain memory seating. Got the power extend and fold side mirrors. All of that looks good. A couple little markings. Some of that might come out, but let's just say it is marked up just a little. Speaker cover looks good. Got the Husky liners. Carpets underneath. These are really thick. Very nice. Bolster looks perfect. Same here. That's in great condition. Got a little wrinkle right there in the leather. Very subtle. Steering wheel nice and clean all the way around. Still has a matte finish to it. Looking at all those buttons, looks good. Auto high beams, power pedals, all the goodies. Drop down tailgate, side mirror, have spotlights on them. Massive screen, 360 camera. I mean, it has all the goodies. The window sticker will be on the website in the photo section, so you can go look at all the factory options. That looks perfect though. There's really not much to pick apart in here. Very clean. Here on the back left door panel, looks good. Ton of storage. Got your cup holder. Looks really nice. Power steps here, make it easy to get in and out. Got that Husky liner. I don't see really any flaws on that seat. Nice and clean. Got the pockets here. The seats are heated, and I do see 2 USB ports, 120 volt outlet, and then let's check behind this one. Got the cigarette lighter here. Looks good. A couple little scuffs there. Otherwise, she looks brand new back here. On that door panel, front right, a couple little markings there. Otherwise, looks good. Looking at that seat, looks perfect. I don't see any flaws there. Very nice. Now looking on the console, I do see this little spot right there. You see that? Just right here. The rest of that looks good. Glove box nice and clean. Oh yeah, got the button here. Lots of storage. Alright, looking at the back right door panel, we do have a couple markings right here, a few light scratches. The rest of that looks good. Mats look nice. Got the tiniest little mark right there. Otherwise, that looks good. Looking in the bed, you got the bed liner. You can see it looks like some stains right there though, some sort of paint or something's on the liner itself, but besides that, looks good. We're gonna scan through the engine bay, all the plastic nice and clean. All of that looks really good. I'm kind of going fast, but this is pretty much a brand new truck. That looks really good.